Do you want to view muted X account? You can see muted account on Twitter X with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To view muted accounts on Twitter X. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, tap on your profile icon at the top left of the screen. From the menu, tap on Settings and Support. Now, from the expanded menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. A new screen will open with different options. From here, find and tap on Privacy and Safety. Again, a new screen will open with different options. From here, tap on Mute and Block. Now, again tap on Muted Accounts. Here, you will see a list of all the accounts you have muted on your X account.